Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to unlock your profile on Facebook. This process is simple and ensures you can control your privacy settings with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the profile you want to unlock. Once the app is open, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name. Next, locate the three dots icon near the top of your profile page. Tap on it to access your profile settings menu. This menu contains various options related to managing your account and privacy settings. From the list of options, select Unlock Profile. This feature allows you to remove any restrictions previously applied to your profile, making it visible to a broader audience based on your chosen privacy preferences. After selecting Unlock Profile, you'll see a confirmation screen explaining what happens when you unlock your profile. Take a moment to review this information carefully. If you're ready to proceed, tap on Unlock. Finally, confirm the steps by following any additional prompts provided by Facebook. Once completed, your profile will be unlocked and any restrictions will be lifted. You'll notice that the lock badge previously displayed on your profile picture will no longer be visible. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your Facebook profile. Remember, unlocking your profile makes certain information more accessible to others, so always review your privacy settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook profiles. Stay tuned for more tutorials.